In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shield icon in Figma. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. First, make sure you have Figma open and you're ready to start designing. To begin, you'll want to go to your Figma files. If you don't already have a project opened, you can simply start a new one. Once you're logged in, navigate to your workspace. This is where you'll be crafting your shield icon. The first step is to create a frame. You can do this by selecting the frame tool from the toolbar on the left. This will serve as the canvas for your shield design. Once you've selected the frame, click and drag to create a workspace size that feels comfortable for you. Next, we need a rectangle as the base of our shield. Select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle onto your frame. This will be the main body of your shield icon. Now, we want to give it some depth by adding a stroke. Click on the stroke section in the right-hand panel and adjust the width to 15. You'll see your rectangle begin to take shape with that outline. Now it's time to give our rectangle a little more character. Double-click on the rectangle you created. This will allow you to edit its anchor points. Look for the middle point on the bottom side of the rectangle. Click this point and we'll use it to add a curve to the bottom of our shield. With that point selected, drag it downward. This will create the distinctive curved bottom of your shield shape. You should start to see the iconic shield form coming together now. Moving on to refining our shape, click on the adjacent sides to that middle point you just dragged down and add a radius of 100. You can do this in the corner radius settings on the right panel. This adds a nice rounded effect to the sides of your shield, giving it that polished appearance. Next, we want to focus on the top of our shield. Click on that middle point located at the top of the rectangle and pull it upward slightly. This creates the peak of the shield, enhancing its iconic silhouette. Your shield should be looking quite rounded and appealing at this point. Now for a fun touch, let's add a star to your shield. Look for the stars icon in your toolbar and select it. Once you've done that, click in the center of your shield to place a star shape. You can adjust the size to ensure it fits nicely within your shield's borders. Finally, let's center the star perfectly within your shield. You can use the alignment tools in the top bar to help you position it just right. And there you have it. You've successfully created a shield icon in Figma. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this process and learned something new, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more design tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.